Hey, what's going on, gang? Today we're going to be making some air-fried imitation crab bites. These things are perfect for a party or just a light snack. Let's go ahead and get into this. I really think you'll love it. So first we have our ingredients. We have a pack. This is a 20-ounce package of imitation crab meat. I did get this from Walmart, and I want to say it was under 10 bucks. I know it was under 10 bucks. I just don't remember the exact amount at the moment. I have a stick of unsalted butter. We're going to be using some seafood seasoning, and then I'll also have this Fiesta brand seafood seasoning as well. One of them is a little bit more herbaceous than the other one. One of them has a little bit more lemon in it. Together, they both taste really, really good. So all you want to do with this imitation crab, you want to take it out the pack, and you want to go ahead and cut it into about 1 inch to 1.5 inch thick pieces, or strips, or however you want to call it. They're already in a strip, in the chunks. And when you're going to do, once you cut them into your chunks, you're going to break them out into individual pieces. Real simple, real quick. Again, this is a really good, either you can make it a meal or you can just make it a snack. Kids love it if they love crab meat and stuff like this. This is a really good alternative for them. And again, it's very inexpensive, so you don't have to break the bank. My daughter, she's a huge fan. She loves these things and she'll go for them any time of the week. But once you get it all cut up and broken down, what you want to do is you want to add some of that butter into the bowl. We're adding about 3 tablespoons of butter into our mixing bowl, and then we're going to go ahead and season it up with our seafood seasoning. Now, imitation crab is fairly high on sodium, so you want to be careful about the type of seasoning that you put on it. And you don't have to add any type of salt whatsoever. You could do, Cajun seasoning, saltless Cajun seasoning. You can do paprika, smoked paprika, chili powder, cumin, or whatever you want to use. Just be mindful of the sodium that you're using in that. So we're just going to season it up, and once you get it seasoned real well, we're going to put it in our air fryer. I've got my air fryer preheated to 400 degrees, so we're going to go right into that air fryer and let it go for about 20 minutes. Now I'm using my stoves. It's like a little miniature oven or convection oven style air fryer, but you can use pretty much whatever kind of air fryer you have. Then what you want to do is you want to make sure that you spray down your rack really well to make sure that the imitation crab doesn't stick. Even though we did add butter to that, you just want to be careful with it and make sure that it doesn't stick at all. And you want to make sure that you put it in a layer to where it doesn't overlap one another if you can. A little bit of overlapping is fine, but it's a single layer is what you're shooting for. All right, and once you get it in your air fryer or on your rack, again, we're just going into a 400 degree air fryer, and we're going to let it go for about 20 minutes. You can flip it after 10 minutes or so, but the type of air fryer I'm using is really not necessary. And it's been 20 minutes, and here's our finished product. We're just going to go ahead and plate it up into a nice little platter here. You can see how it has a nice little char on it, some nice little color. That seasoning and has baked in really well. And then we're going to take the rest of the butter that we used, about another 2 to 3 tablespoons, and we're going to pour that butter all over your imitation crab bites. And then we're going to garnish it off with a little bit of parsley just for presentation. Again, this is perfect for parties, little finger foods you can eat with a toothpick or whatnot, or if you just want a little seafood snack, try giving this recipe a go. It's low in calories, low in carbs, and it's really, really good. And there you have it. Our imitation crab bites, or crab bites, however you want to call it. They look delicious, they smell good, and they'll be a hit at any party or gathering. Give it a try. I believe you'll love it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell for the next video. Till the next time, guys, God bless.